Hello, lovers. This is Chris Reed from Kismet Potions. Thanks for being here with me today. I am the owner and founder of KismetPotions.com, KismetPotions.com. I'm a perfumer and an aromatherapist. I've been doing this for 25 years, had my business for 22, maybe 23 years, so I kind of lost count. This is our essential oil monograph series. What we are doing is talking about and studying a little bit on about 75 different essential oils. So I'm going to talk about some of the oils. Today we're going to talk about coriander. Very interesting oil, not very used at all. Not really a very, I don't know if it's not that popular of an essential oil. It's got a very unusual smell. It is used in Benedictine, which I think it's Benedictine and brandy, B&B. And it's also used in a liqueur called chartreuse. So it's made, by monks in like some mountain areas. And, it's just kind of got an interesting profile, so to speak. So in Tutankhamun's time, one of the many kings of Egypt, he used it, as did most of the other people at that time, as a symbolic thing, as a passage to get you in from this life to the afterlife. So there was a lot of things that they put in the tombs that they needed to do in order to facilitate this passage to the afterlife. So actually, coriander was one of them, and it was a symbol of new life. So once you got from this life to the afterlife, that was your new life. But a lot of times what they would do is they'd put your animals and your servants in there, even if they hadn't died. I know it sounds gross, but that's what they would do because they felt they needed all of those people and animals around them to get to the other side. They actually had to go through the river, and there was like a little token that they would have to pay. So they always had, I think they left like some kind of coin in their hand so they could get over the passage of this river, and I forgot the name of the river. But anyway, it's also good for some other kind of unusual things like cellulite and toxin buildup, but it's really, really good for arthritis and muscle aches and joints and nausea. Okay, so any kind of seed or a lot of roots like ginger, so coriander and cardamom and cinnamon and black pepper, roots and seeds, those are all really good for the digestive system. So anything to do with that, but you want to put a very little bit of coriander in. You'll see I only have 3 drops in this whole blend because coriander is very tenacious and it's got a very unusual smell. So let's start out with the recipe. It's going to go in a 30 ml or 1 ounce, and you can put it in any kind of a base oil. Since this is good for toxins, circulation, muscle aches, arthritis, you could do it in a lotion, an unscented lotion, or any kind of an oil, olive oil, canola, grapeseed, jojoba oil. Jojoba oil I like the best because it's a liquid wax and it never goes rancid. It's the same pH as your skin, so that's really my preferred oil for most of my blends. And then I might add a little bit of carrot seed oil, the heliocarrot, and a little bit of rosehip seed oil in there as well. So the first one that we're going to put in there, again, like I said, a 1 ounce bottle, is going to be frankincense. All these oils are available on our site as well. So frankincense is 9 drops, ginger is 5, 8 drops of helichrysum, lime is 4, and coriander is going to be 3. So you might even want to put like 2 drops of the coriander, and you could even do like 5 of the lime, even though lime is very, very strong as well. So that's our essential oil monograph for today, coriander. Thank you so much for being with me today. I really appreciate it. On our website, KismetPotions.com, on the home page, you will see a blog. So go into the blog area, and on the right-hand side, you can sign up for an email list. And when you do that, you'll get the top 3 love potions to transform your sex life, an ebook written by me. And then you'll also be notified of all sorts of great things that happen in the Kismet Potions world, okay? The world of Kismet. Be kissed by Kismet, as we like to say sometimes around here. So, anyway, it was great seeing you today, and ta-ta for now. Have a pleasant and prosperous day.